Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a DocuSign. All right. So first up, you would need to create an account. And don't worry, we have a separate video for that titled How to Sign Up for DocuSign. Okay. You can go ahead and watch that video first and then go back to this video. Okay. Now, once you have your account, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile icon right here, then click on Manage Profiles. Okay. Once done, you can go ahead and change your profile image. Click on Update right here, then just click on Browse. Okay. Your computer or phone's directory will open, so you can just go ahead and open up a folder, then upload your photo. All right. Open, save. Once done, if you want to change your name, click on Update right here. Also, your email address, click on Update if you want to change that. Contact information. If you want a company ID right here, all right, title, address, phone number, you go ahead and hit on Update. Enter your company like Answer ASAP, title, editor, address 1, address 2, address and city, just for example. Okay, province 1234 plus 639 111 111 111. Hit on save. There you have it. To create your signature, you can go ahead and go to the left panel, click on signature. Now go to the top right and click on Add Signature. Okay, just enter your full name. For example, Ryan Tristan, like so, and then the initial. Okay, if you want to change the initials right here, go ahead and do so. And once done, you can go ahead and click on Create. Okay, you have a template right here where you can choose whichever style, okay, you want for your signature. For example, this one or this one. Just hit on Create. And once done, whenever you need to sign a document, you can just easily select from this template. You can also draw, okay, like so, or upload if you have a saved signature. All right. Again, just hit on Create and it will be landed right here onto your templates. Stamps as well. You have the option in here if you want to add some stamp and change your language or region from this section. And then once that's done, you're now free to create your first DocuSign. Just go ahead over to DocuSign.com right here. Just hit on Start, upload your file, like so. Enter the recipient, hit on Next, add fields, and once done, just hit on Send, and you're good to go. You just sent your document for signing. All right, that's how you set up a DocuSign. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.